85 Tri-Z. I picked it up. It needed a carburetor. That was pretty much it. I found another one. Don't know if the jetting is right. It seems to run a little rich. I put on Renthal bars. Still have the stock bars. They're fine. A little scuffing on the headlight guard. That's my fault. I actually dumped it being stupid. High-sided it in the corner. But the stays, if you look, are in really good shape. Nothing bent up from the handlebars or from the forks hitting. A little bit of rust on the frame. The pipe I did paint with heat treated paint. Sanded it down. Engine, to the best of my knowledge, has never been apart. The original owner I bought it from said nothing had been done to it. Nothing has been opened up. Nothing leaks. It's been parked in my garage for months. Original front tire. You can see the tread's still pretty good for being as old as it is. The guy I got it from had it parked for 12 years. The carb needed to be replaced because a mouse built a nest in the airbox. So it has a brand new air filter on it. The tank guard I sanded down and painted. ITP hole shots I put on. Still have the original tires and gold rims, which have quite a bit of tread left on them. This is my fault also. Trying to be young again. And then when I high-sided it, cracked the fender. Kind of bent the bar a little bit, which I straightened out. This tire has been sitting since October, and you can see it's a little bit flat, pretty flat, but it holds air for quite a while when it's up. Original tires and rims never leak. Check the amount of wear on the sprocket. Again, original sprocket front or rear. Original sprocket in the front. It's got a few hours on it from the prior owner. He used it mostly at the sand dunes. No drips coming out from the shaft, just a little goop on there, it looks like from the chain lube. One of the bolts is broke off on the exhaust. Actually, two of them. The one that goes down here, the bolt is broke off in the hole. I do have the stay for the pipe, or for the silencer. Again, do have the original bars, grips, and everything like that. Also have the original seat. It's obviously black. The original seat has a hole about the size of a dime in this approximate location. Plastics are a little faded. I mean, it is an 85. No leaks from the forks. Actually seems a little stiff. Stiff more than soft. Brake light does work. Again, like I said, it's been parked since October, so see if I can fire it up from a cold start. No guarantees here. Pardon the mess in the garage. Gas on, choke on. Actually, I'll flip this to reserve because I don't think there's much gas in it. Alright, here we go. A couple months, about 3. Like I said, it's cold out. That doesn't raise confidence. Try without the choke. work with here. Sat that long. A little fading on the plastics. Some stress marks in the back. The obvious crack. Some pitting on the forks. And we'll shut her down since nowhere to go at the moment.